Coming live from Merida, Mexico. This is Amputee Adventures. Hello everybody, this is James Benner, Amputee Adventures, and today we went to, or actually last night, we went to Cheese Chase Pizza. Had some great Hawaiian pizza and garlic bread, pan aho, and a soda for really cheap. It's just like 600 feet from my place, so it's very convenient. And yeah, so let me show you what we had. Hello everybody. Well, I'm out having a pizza tonight. The place is called Cheese Chase Pizza. It's just down the block from me. And see, gracias. And it's just around here, show you around. It's a beautiful little setting in the backyard. It's got tables, music, and yeah, this is the menu. If it shows it, I hope it does, but yeah, otherwise I'll redo it the other way. See how I have a Hawaiian pizza with a Coke, and see how it is. And this is the menus. Again, it's from Cheese Chase Pizza. Got your different pizzas, the specials, and then complimentary the waters and what have you. But they also have sodas and other things too. So yeah, this is the place. Beautiful little backyard courtyard. Yeah. And nice trees. So yeah, we're gonna get the Grande Hawaiiana, the Hawaiian pizza grade for 95 pesos. So just what, under $5, and a Coke. No, Coca-Cola. You can see another angled view. It's where you get inside, you can sit inside there. And that's where I was sitting. But yeah, beautiful setting. So yes, the Hawaiian pizza and the garlic bread were outstanding. It was awesome, and for that price, I think it was 134 pesos or something like that. Yeah, so I just gave him 150 because it was worth it. Yeah. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.